Are you struggling with creating content for your business? Do you spend countless hours brainstorming ideas only to come up short? In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 of the best uses of ChatGPT that can help your business grow. 1. Content creation. Creating content for your business can be time-consuming, but with ChatGPT, you can generate high-quality blog posts and social media posts in minutes. ChatGPT's content creation abilities can help you save time and produce engaging content for your audience. 2. Email marketing. Personalized emails are crucial to connect with your customers, but crafting them can be time-consuming. With ChatGPT, you can generate personalized emails by providing a few details about your customers, allowing you to improve your email marketing efforts and reach your customers more efficiently. 3. Ad copy. Writing ad copy that catches your audience's attention and drives conversions is essential for any business. With ChatGPT, you can generate compelling ad copy that's sure to attract your target audience and help drive sales. 4. Product naming and descriptions. Coming up with catchy and memorable names for your products can be difficult. With ChatGPT, you can input details about your product and generate names that are unique, memorable, and aligned with your brand. You can also use ChatGPT to generate product descriptions that provide accurate information about your products and highlight their features and benefits. 5. SEO optimization. By using ChatGPT, you can generate optimized content that includes keywords that will help your website rank higher in search engines. This can lead to increased traffic to your website and a wider audience for your business. These are just a few examples of how ChatGPT can help your business. It's important to keep in mind that these are only the basics, and there are many more ways you can use ChatGPT to improve your business. The purpose of this video is to get you started with ChatGPT and to show you how this incredible AI tool can help your business grow. So, what are you waiting for? Give ChatGPT a try and let me know in the comments how it works for you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks to help you succeed in your business.